moms! Want to pump like a pro and save time? Here's a smart routine. Always start with clean hands and sanitized pump parts. Sit upright with your shoulders relaxed and a pillow behind your back. Place the breast shield so your nipple is centered. Start pumping at low suction and gradually increase until you feel a steady flow. Switch breasts halfway through. If your milk flow slows, massage your breast gently to encourage letdown. After pumping, store milk in labeled containers and clean everything carefully. Following this routine daily can help you get the most milk in the least time.